matagal na dapat nating expel yan eh. I mean, saan ka nakakita ng Chinese diplomat na masama palagi sinasabi sa Pilipinas? You're a diplomat, di ba? I mean, dapat maganda palagi sinasabi mo eh. Pero whenever he would speak, he would always speak against our policies, against what we want, no? Ano naman, kung diplomat siya, ang gagawin niya parang ano yan eh, parang shuttle yan, yung shuttling between China and the Philippines, no? That is the work of a diplomat. Pero hindi eh. This Chinese diplomat is saying things against the Philippines. So dapat talaga i-expel na yan, no? My own personal opinion.
Ako naman, may anti-wiretapping batas tayo at sa bansa, di ba? Even ang korte, hindi nila tatanggapin ng ebidensya if it's illegally acquired through wiretapping. Hindi ko po pwede yan. Ako, kung sino human yung nagsusulong dyan na imbestigahan yung wiretapping, dahil unang-una, diplomat ka eh. Tama nga po yung sinabi ni Manong Benny, pag diplomat ka, you have to present yourself diplomatic. Why do you need to tap, ano ang intention mo doon? Of course, ang intention mo doon is to, ito ang ginagamit natin, espionage, di ba? Pag diplomat ka, you have to be diplomatic, even in the way you act, the way you speak. Pero if you are there and then you demean the country that you are, that the country is hosting you, in order to promote a harmonious and relationship between your principal country and the one that is hosting you, I think there's something wrong with you. And on the part of the on our country, I think it's better also that we can ask China to send a better one.